Hey guys, it's Nate, and today I want to talk about hydraulics, which I got from the Tinker Crate, which now I get once a month, and there's also an Art Crate, but still, anyways, so basically it's a claw using a hydraulics assembly, which has an elbow, an up-down mechanism, and the just claw. So basically, it's all controlled in these controls. So basically what I call this is its original state, the middle one pushed in and both of them pulled out, and it looks like this outside. So if we reverse that, then it's going to go that. So basically what the pushed in one does is it controls up and down like that, and the entire assembly with it. This controls the elbow, so the thing that would edit the clock. They always come up slowly and not very strong. I don't know why. They just do. That can work. And oh, was that pushed in all the way? No. This is the original, and this is the claw, which when pushed in makes it come out, and when pulled out makes it close. So basically, a little demo of that would be there. So it doesn't always go in, but so basically, if I were to take this measuring ruler thingy, whatever, measuring tape, and I were to pick it up, a little demo of that would be and then I would pull this, clamp down on it, and pick it up. Oh, that would be kind of hard. So that would pick it up, and then I would drop it. So that's kind of what this is, and like I said, it doesn't always close.